Shuki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian Umrupa Premium Meghalaya ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore ka kot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council ka by admission ka badunatam but 6% ka jinyokam pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kamukam College Shillong kakot admission haki degree but diploma course ban long chef hotelier but QA ban dip khap mania fila ban call haki niki number.
Working President jaga United Democratic Party ba polling do ga khandai trik ujimang arajar phosan ule thu ba ka Parliament Party janga UDP kaban sa shong jingalang haga digesngi kan sa shim ya karai lakan board ne em ya ka ju ko suru kumbalapen pau daga seng Congress but ka Voice of the People Party Bandawa Hiar Shuki yusumbut bindirang ba ka zilla ba asnyaw bhalang dhar kalau ka jingkno janga seng King Atiar Nyotrep National Liberation Council but Bandawa ka jing pocket halo ka ne ka jingkno haga jing kran ba kilar pathai ku bor ba pol long ba ka shong haga jing kran janga Parliament Party janga party balada ka jing kran kami karai on sa jing tip shikilar pathai ku bor.
The parliamentary party of the UDP is scheduled to meet today at 4 p.m. So I'm sure that this issue will come up for deliberation and consideration. We should be able to brief you once our discussions are over. I do not know what actually prompted such a reaction because this is a highly sensitive matter that has been raised from time to time, and we thought that an all-party committee would be the best platform because you get to hear all views, counter views, neutral views. But if this is the kind of reaction, then I do not know. It just means that this effort will fail, and we will continue to be in a state of limbo. I do not know because it all depends on who raises matters in the PP meeting today. Let's see if it comes up. I'll brief you if it comes up.